Assalamu alaikum everyone. So this is the second video about logarithmic equations, and in this video I will explain some real life examples of logarithmic equations. So in the first question, this question is from your revision sheet, page number 4. So in this question they give you already the equation. The equation is given, which is m equal 2/3 log e minus log 10 raised to the power 11.8. Okay, and they are giving you the value of what? The earthquake magnitude, right? They are saying the magnitude we represent by m, and magnitude is how much? 4.6. And what they are asking to find the amount of energy, which means we need to find E. Okay, so replace the m value from the question which they give you and then solve the equation normally. But in this equation you can see here it's log 10. And what is the base of log? Also 10, right? So whenever you have log, the base of the log and the number beside log is same, you can cancel both. For example, if you have log 6 and 6, you can cancel. If the base of the log and the number beside log is same, you can cancel. This will be equal to 1. So here is base 10 and here is 10. So both are same. So we can cancel. So what left here? Here is log e minus 11.8. And now just solve normally this equation. So first definitely we have to shift 2/3 there. So it will be 4.6 times 2/3, right? Give to the calculator, Fatma. 4.6 times 3/2, sorry. Whenever you will shift 2/3, there it will be 3/2, right? So here you have to do 4.6 times 3/2. You will multiply like this, right? So the answer is 6.9. Now what left here? Log e minus 11.8. Again I shift 2/3 there, so it will be 3/2, and you will multiply by 4.6 like this by calculator. Now what we will do, definitely no need to put the brackets here. Now the log is not alone. We have a number here with log which is minus 11.8. So first you have to shift 11.8 there. So it will be 6.9 plus 11.8 because you are shifting negative there. So it will be plus 11.8. And what left here? Log e. Now give this to the calculator. The answer is 18.7 equal log e. Now I need the e value, so I have to remove log. How can I remove? I have to check the base of the log. So nothing is there, it's mean base 10. So it's mean base 10 here, base 10 here. So it's mean here this will be cancelled because same basis. So it's mean E equal, what is here? 10 raised to the power 18.7. And this is my answer. Okay, what we did, just take the equation, replace the m value and solve normally. But whenever you have a log base and the number beside log is same, you can cancel. So here we cancel this 11.8 and then I just solve the equation normally. Okay, you can check your answer by shift and solve. Whenever you replace the m value, just give this to the calculator and do shift and solve and check your answer is same or no. Now go to the second question. E. Here again they give you the equation 2/3 log e minus log 10 11.8, same equation. Here we can cancel these two. Now m value is what? 3.8 this time. 3.8 2/3 log e minus 11.8. Again shift this number here, so it will be 3.8 times 3/2, right? So what is the answer, Fatima? You can see here in the calculator 3.8 times 3/2, right? This fraction will be flipped. You have to use the reciprocal. So it's 5.7. What left here? Log e minus 11.8. Now we will shift 11.8 there. So 5.7, Fatima, plus 11.8. Yes, so look at the calculator. 5.7 plus 11.8, 17.5 equal log e. And now remove the log by using the same basis. Here is base 10, so we will take base 10 both sides. This will be cancelled. and E is equal to 10 raised to the power 17.5, and this is my answer. Again dear, don't do the question by shift and solve. You can check your answer by shift and solve, but you have to do the steps. Okay, so this is about the real life problems of logarithmic equation. But in the last video where I explained the different types of logarithmic equation, I did not explain one property there, so I am explaining that property here. For example, if you have the logarithmic equation like this, now you know that in the last video I explained that if you have one log on left side, one on right side, you can cancel. For example, here in question number 3, you can cancel log by log, because you have only one log on left side, one log on right side with the same basis, and you don't have anything before log, so you can cancel. But in this question, we have one log on left side, but on the other side we have two logs, so we cannot cancel. So first, from the right side where you have more than one log, you have to make a single log by using the log property. And on the left side, you can see the log is not alone. Before log we have a number here. So if we want to cancel the log, we have to remove any number which is before log. So here before log we have 2. So we have to remove this number from here. How can we remove? We will use the power property. Whenever you want to remove any number before log, so this number will become the power of the number which is beside log. So it will be log x raised to the power 2. Whatever is here, this will become the power of this number. This is the power property of log. Equal, now from these two I need a single logarithm. So I can use the property of log, product property. So you will write log one time, whatever is the base there, no base, it's mean base 10, and then these two numbers will be multiplied, 2 times 5x. Whenever plus you will multiply, whenever minus you will divide. In the last video I explained this thing, right? And now you can cancel log by log. Both have same basis and you have only one log left side, one log right side. What left? X square equal, multiply these two, so it will be 10x. Now this is not linear, this is quadratic equation, and I told you whenever quadratic you have to make the equation equal to 0. So you will shift this here, it will be x square minus 10x equals 0, and then go to mode 5, 3. Here your a is 1, your b is negative 10, and your c is 0. A equal 1, b is negative 10, and c is 0. Give to the calculator and write the x answers. Yes. Okay, first answer is x equal 10, and what is the second answer? 0. Now, in the last video also I told you whenever you have two answers, you have to check that both are your answers or no. Maybe one is the extraneous solution. So if you are getting one positive, one negative answer, so always check for the negative one. Okay, if the negative one is giving you error, it means negative is extraneous. If for example you are getting two answers, one is positive and one is 0. So check always for 0. So what you will do, how you will check? You will take your 0, where you have the answer 0, take the 0 and replace in your main question, but only replace on one side. And you can replace on left side, you can replace on right side. So how I will replace? I am taking the left side. So 2 log x is what? 0. Now when you replace 0, look here, 2 log 0 equal, it's error. It's mean that this is equal to error, right, in the calculator. So it's mean 0 is what? 0 is extraneous solution. This is extraneous solution. My only solution is x equal 10. This is my solution. You can check for the 10. Okay. If you don't want Adi, no need to check. You can just check for the 0, but for yourself you can check for 10. It will not give you error. Okay. But if it's 0, you have to check. If the 0 is giving you error, it means 0 is the extraneous solution. Okay. If 0, you have to check. If the answer is negative, check there. If the negative one is giving you error, it means negative one is your extraneous solution. And if anyone, for example, you are getting both answers positive. Okay, so it means both are your solution. Okay, so this is all about logarithmic equations. Thank you so much.